folks, I think I know what it is. The seagulls are patrolling the ground here because there's lots of insects, lots of ants crawling around because of the heat. It's the flying ants are everywhere, so I think this is what's going on. The seagulls are picking at the ants. I'm going to go and have a look, see what's going on, man. Because the seagulls are out patrolling, so let's go and see if we can find some. I saw some ants earlier on today. There's a seagull over here. Loads of ants.
Out for a wee while. Sun's gone away, but it's
This is the local weather report from Turbo. Yes.
It's lovely and warm, but the sun has gone.
Right. So we're here at work to film some flying ants because the seagulls are out there. I noticed they were running around pecking at the ground, so they've obviously been looking for these ants, and I saw a few here today. So we're going looking for flying ants. Yeah, folks, look. Loads of them. There we go. I knew I'd seen them. Wow. What a beast. There's quite a few of them, man, flying about. They haven't quite flying yet, they're just still walking now. Yeah, they're not really, they're kind of like big ants. Wow. It's hard to...
You made the tiny wee ones.
There's another one there, look. Wow. This is great nature cam work here by Jag, trying to keep up with them. Wow. There's another one there. You see, they're trying to get underground, folks. They're trying to escape. This really is the attack of the ants. Anyway, get the idea. So there we go. Monster Munch. And the Subway. Teriyaki chicken Subway. Oh, here we go. He's in. He's in. Does he like Monster Munches? I think he likes a Monster Munch. Oh, he's got it. Yes, he's eating the Monster Munch. He's not too sure about it. Pickled onion flavour. Well, the other one's just sitting watching. Oh, he's missed his chance. There you go, that's it, it's gone. Well done, mate. And here we have Bedalia, otherwise known as the butterfly bush. Right, folks, we're in the car park from hell today, and it's living up to its name today. It certainly is. There's just queues everywhere. Right, on you go, mate. There you are. But I've kind of parked pretty badly, actually. Look, I'm way out this. I didn't realise. Look, I'm away out of space. Oh no, I've caused major problems here. I am the cause of the car park from hell today. I am the main reason it's all going wrong. Disaster. When